Hey garden friends, happy Tuesday. So look what I have here. I have a small little terracotta pot. Oh no. And it's got leaves on it and they painted it white, and even though it may look a little messy, I like it. I really like this tiny little pot. And it came with the drainage hole, so that's a bonus. I didn't have to drill it on there. And I'll show you the plants that I have. I've got a beautiful Echeveria Minima. Check it out. I'll try to get a little closer. Oh my goodness, look at all that new growth. You can see that it was getting a little beat up by the sun, those older leaves around it, but that new growth is super, super healthy, and it's, I mean, that blue, I just love succulents that are this color. Echeveria Minima. I've got 3 of these beautiful Corpuscularia Lehimanni ice plant, and look at this one. It's growing tiny little babies at the bottom. Oh, isn't that cute? I just love how they grow. I love their shape. And these are perfect to plant in hanging baskets because they'll just trail over. They bloom beautiful bright yellow flowers in the spring. I mean, I really, really love this succulent plant. I have 2 pinwheels, and these are Aeoniums, and they're very small. But they're beautifully stressed. Look at the margins, bright red. Aeonium Pinwheel. I've got 3 Portulacaria Afra Variegata. And this is the elephant bush variety, but it's variegated. I tend to use this a lot. Oh, and check out the pink on this Graptosedum. I've got 3 of these. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This plant, Graptosedum, oh my goodness, it is one of the easiest plants to propagate by leaf. And they propagate, the mother plant will offset tons of babies, so also by cutting. Such a beautiful. Let me try to get a little closer. Oh my gosh. And these are pups that are propagated by leaf. And this one here is a Graptopetalum Paraguayense. So this one, oops, that's my phone there. Sorry about that, guys. All right. This is a Graptopetalum Paraguayense, and this is a variegated one. Believe it or not. So they get peachy. They're super beautiful and also very easy to propagate by leaf, and the mother plant will offset tons of babies for you. All right, so let's get started on this tiny little planter and see how it goes. I will fill it up with succulent soil all the way to the top. Okay, and I will start with my biggest succulent, which is this Minima, and I'll put it somewhere in the front. So I might put it right here. And you know, the smaller arrangements, I have a little more trouble with them. So that's why I'm trying to really make more of them so I can get better. It's the only way. All right, beautiful. Let's see, I'm gonna go for my ice plant now, and I'll put it around here in this little corner. I'll put the taller one in the back, just like that. And I'll nestle the other ones around it. Okay, so I've got 3, so I'll kind of make a little cluster just like that. Oh my gosh, I just love them. Okay, I'm trying to be really gentle here. Okay, I'm going to add a little more soil there. Take that twig off. All right. Nice. All right. I'll add a little Graptosedum to this little hole there. And I'll do this one, and I'll just poke it right in Just like that. And you know what? I'll add a little more soil to that corner there. There we go. And then I'll poke my little Graptosedum in there. Right there, just like that. And let's see, what do I have next? All right, so it's going pretty good so far. I'll go for my Paraguayense and I'll put it right next to the ice plant. So right here. And I'll use my knitting needle to press down the soil there. Works like a charm. Okay, perfect. And now I'll go for my other bigger Graptosedum and I'll try to put it right in the center here somehow. Okay, let's see if I can pull that off. And it's got a really long stem, so I have to make sure not to break it. Okay, let's see. Can I nestle it in there somehow? Ooh, okay, that worked out. That worked out. I pulled it off, I think. So I'll use the top of my knitting needle. Press that soil down so it can stay put. And now I'll go for the bigger pinwheel. Right there, and I'll try to put it right over here. And it's got, as you can see, it's got like one little root there. Can you see it? It's having a hard time focusing, but I will be very careful and not rip that little root apart, because that's enough for it to, you know, hang on and survive. It takes a little longer for the plant to settle down when it has no roots, like this one right here. This one has no roots, but it's not focusing, so can't really see what I'm talking about there. But so far, so good. I'm going to get another Graptosedum, and I'm going to put it right here in this little corner. And I thought that I had too many succulents, but it looks like I will have just enough. Okay, so that Graptosedum right in there. How cute. Oop, that pinwheel. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Everything's falling apart here. I've got to add more soil. Gotta add more soil just to settle those down right here. And that Graptosedum, please just stay right there. You know, arrangements, they don't always end up looking like you would like them to look, but that's part of the process. Sometimes they have a mind of their own and they do their own thing. You can't be mad at them for that, right? So I'll put another pinwheel right here, and I'll cluster the Portulacarias right here. Okay, pinwheel there, and I'll settle some soil there, and I'll press it down. Looks like I will need more soil. I mean, it's a drag to keep adding soil, but hey, it's all part of it. Okay, so pinwheel there is looking happy. Try to press it down there. Okay, oh my gosh, it's starting to look so cute. And I will make some little hole there for the Portulacaria. Let's see. I'll put one right there. Another one here. And the other one here. Ooh. Oh man. That worked out. I can't believe it. So I'll dust. Ooh, you stay there. Okay. There we go. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, I really like it. It looks really, really cute. Oh man, okay. And I will add, you know what? I will try and add a few stones here and there, because I think it'll look a lot nicer that way. But let's see if I can fit them in, because, you know, it is a very small, tiny little thing. But I know that it'll look better with the stones. It'll just complete the look. And that is only my opinion. I just really like the look with succulents and stones. I think that they belong together. And I might be pulling it off. I might. Just fitting them in one by one here. Hopefully I'm not boring you to death. If you're still watching, of course. And if you are, and if you're not bored, oh, thank you so much for tuning in. I do really appreciate your time. I'm going to grab a little bit more stones here. Go to the other side. And I can fit a few right over here. Another one there. It is a beautiful day. I mean, gosh, such a beautiful morning. It's like 60 degrees, but it's nice and warm. It's not that like windy, like gusty. It's been a little windy around here. But you know, it rained like 2 days ago, so everything's settling down. Everything's looking really pretty because of the water. Everything's looking nice and alive, including my succulents. Oh, I'm really happy with this arrangement. What do you guys think? Hope you guys like it. And if you don't have succulents, I hope I've inspired you to get a few. Make some arrangements with them. They're super resilient. I know some people may say, oh no, they're just so high maintenance. No, not. I mean, it takes practice. Getting to know them is very important. You know? Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. I am proud of myself. I really, really am. Because I usually have more trouble with the smaller arrangements. And this one gave me no trouble at all. So it was meant to be. But I will lift it up a bit just so you can see it a little better. I'll give it a little twirl. I really, really, you know, love the Minima. I really, really love this one too. So it's well balanced, I feel. I've spread out, you know, the different varieties. And I think they look so cute. Oh my goodness. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy Tuesday. And I hope everyone has a beautiful day. Bye, garden friends.